Now it's time to take care of the validation. Obviously for the validation we're going to have to create a new class. So we go to our classes folder, create a new file, call it validation.php. Inside of this class, open in PHP tag, class validation. This class won't extend any other class. So we have validation. We need to first create a few properties of this class. So we start with the form object, which will be private obj form. Then we'll have an array for storing all our errors. So for storing all error IDs, it will be private error, and it will be a blank array by default, an empty array by default. Then we have validation messages. And this array will be public underscore message equals array. And now we will put the field names as index and validation message as the value. So we start with first name field, and the first name field will have a message, please provide your first name. Then comma after this. Then we have last name. This one will be, please provide your last name. Then we'll have address 1, which will be, please provide the first line of your address. Actually, let me hide the file browser here so that we can see this a little bit better. Then we have town, which will be, please provide your town name. Then we have county, which will be, please provide your county name. Then we have country, actually postcode is first, so postcode, please provide your postcode. Okay, then we have country, please select, because we have a drop down menu, your country. After country we have email, so please provide your valid email address. Okay, that's it for now. We will be adding to this array later on when we're gonna start building other forms, but for now that's all. Let's move to the next property, which will be list of expected fields, and we have public underscore expected, and it's an empty array to start with. Then we have list of required fields, public underscore required array. Okay, if we scroll down a little bit so we can see a little bit better. Okay, then we have a list of special validation fields, and the format will be array form field name equals format. Okay, I'll explain later on how it's gonna work, but for now it's public special equals array. Then we have post array, public post. This array will store all of the post values through the values which has been sent through the form. Then we have fields to be removed from the post array, so public post remove, get an empty array assigned to it. Scroll down. And the last parameter will be fields to be specifically formatted. Same way, array field name format. Okay, so we have public post format array. Okay, so these are all of our parameters. Now we're going to create the constructor. So public function construct, and we pass in the object form to it. This obj form equals object form send as the parameter. So that's it in this video. Now let's move to the next video when we're going to be building our first methods inside of our validation class.